salute and give thanks to the individuals who have devoted their years in service of the city government and the people of Davao City. Ang atong lokal nga panggamhanan mamahimong lig-on og epektibo lamang kung ang kada usa gahimo sa ilahang mga buluhaton ug gatrabaho ug tarong. Maunang nagapasalamat ko sa atong mga retirees sa inyong kakugi, sa inyong pagpakabana ug sa inyong serbisyo sa inyong isigkatao. I am able to carry out my work and the city government is able to serve the people of Davao because we are blessed to have employees like you. Today, as you close this chapter in your lives, may you bring with you all the wonderful memories of your time in the government. And I wish you well on the exciting journeys that lie ahead. Congratulations on your well-deserved retirement ug daghang salamat kaninyong tanan.
City Environment and Natural Resources Office. Adolfo Wilson, 21 years of service. Anramig Marcia, 34 years of service. Billones Melanie, 24 years of service. David Nicanor, 22 years of service. De Leon Rodrigo, 30 years of service. Congratulations to our second batch of retirees. Syempre, naabot pa baon ng makawaw nga performance ang atong batch 2.